Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Samsung phone look more unique and stylish. One of the best ways to customize your Samsung phone is with Good Lock, Samsung's official app packed with powerful features that let you personalize almost every part of your phone. After installing every Good Lock module and testing them one by one, I found the best and most useful Good Lock features that you should try. So in this video, let's take a look at the most useful Good Lock features on Samsung phones. The first Good Lock feature we'll look at is the ability to resize folders more freely. You can make them wider, taller, or resize them however you like. With the Home Up module, you get much more control over your folder layout, making it easy to create a unique home screen layout. This gives you the freedom to customize your home screen however you like. Another great feature is the ability to remove the folder background, making your folders look just like regular icons. To enable the custom folder size feature, you'll need the Home Up module from Good Lock. If you haven't installed Good Lock yet, you can download it from the Galaxy Store. Simply search for Good Lock, then install it. Once it's installed, open the app. Inside Good Lock, look for the Home Up module. Tap the download icon on the right to install the module. After the installation is complete, open Home Up. Inside Home Up, you'll find several features you can customize. Here, choose the home screen option. Then scroll down until you find Large Folder option. Turn on Large Folder, then tap it to open its settings. Next, under Size, select Custom. Then, if your folder contains a lot of apps, you can enable Page Scroll. This lets you swipe left or right on the folder to access apps on the next page without opening it. The Large Folder feature with a custom size is a great way to create a more unique home screen layout by fitting more app icons inside a single folder. The second Good Lock feature that's both unique and incredibly useful is DIY Home Screen. With DIY Home Screen, you can place your app icons anywhere you like, without being limited to the standard grid. You can even rotate each icon to create a completely unique home screen layout. For example, you can arrange your icons to resemble planets orbiting the sun, giving your home screen a unique look. To activate DIY Home Screen, open the Home Up module in Good Lock, go to Home Screen, then turn on DIY Home Screen. To customize your icons, press and hold anywhere on the home screen. Then tap DIY Home Screen in the top right corner. Next, tap the icon you want to edit. Drag the corner handles to resize the icon. You can also rotate the icon to any angle you like. You can also select multiple icons at once to edit them together. Simply tap each icon you want to select. Then make your changes to one of the icons, and all the other selected icons will automatically follow the changes. In the bottom right corner, you'll also find a D-pad for making precise adjustments to each icon's position. If you make a mistake while editing, simply tap undo to restore the previous layout. Once you're done, simply go back to see your new home screen layout. Unfortunately, the DIY Home Screen feature can't be used together with the Large Folder feature. This may be because DIY Home Screen is still in beta. Hopefully, a future update will let you use both features at the same time. Next, the third Good Lock feature lets you customize the color of app labels on your home screen. You can assign different colors to each app label to match its icon. This creates a more cohesive look while keeping your home screen clean and stylish. You can also choose your own colors to match your wallpaper or theme. To enable this feature, open Home Up, go to Home Screen, then enable App Icon Settings. Here you can also enable all of these features. After enabling it, press and hold an app icon on the home screen, tap the pencil icon, then tap Change Color next to the app label to change its color. Then repeat the same steps for the rest of your app icons on the home screen, and change each app label to any color you prefer. And those are some of the best Good Lock features available for Samsung phones right now. In the next video, we'll take a look at the best Good Lock features for One UI 9 when the update becomes available for this phone. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.